We've combined radical technology and classic styling to produce a completely new type of speaker design. After years of research into BMR technology, our engineers recognised how amazing it could be in a more traditional speaker design. The innovative Aero range is the result. BMR drivers replace traditional tweeters and work beautifully with conventional cone woofers to create fantastically clear, natural and coherent audio. We've built them into classic speaker cabinets that will look good anywhere with their sleek, magnetic, removable grills. And because BMR speakers aren't fussy about placement, they can be positioned almost anywhere in the room and still sound great.